Graphic design is evolving, and embracing AI is the next step in unlocking your true creative potential. You're not here to let technology take away from your artistry, but to empower it. Our course is designed to help you transition effortlessly from traditional methods to using AI as a powerful ally. In every lesson, you discover how AI can enhance your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and open up possibilities you never imagined. Through in-depth video lessons, practical examples, and expert guidance, you learn the fundamentals of generative AI, how to integrate AI tools like Canva, Adobe Express, and Microsoft Designer, and how to master the art of crafting effective AI prompts that truly speak your design language. We break down the complexities into actionable steps, ensuring every concept is clear and directly applicable. Whether you're learning how to optimize layouts or exploring AI-assisted color theory and typography, each module is carefully structured to build your expertise. Plus, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With continuous updates and access to valuable resources, you stay ahead in an ever-changing field. Find all AI for graphic designers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and start your journey to a future where your creative vision meets intelligent design solutions.